How to add support contact information to Windows Security in Windows 10. When users run into technical issues in Windows 10, their first instinct is to look for help, fast. That's why having visible, accurate support contact info right inside Windows Security can make a real difference. In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to add your organization's contact details, using the local group policy or the registry editor. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Working with Group Policy Editor. Let's begin with the Group Policy Editor. This method works for Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions, version 1709 or later. First, press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to launch with admin privileges. From there, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Security, Enterprise Customization. Now, double-click Configure Customized Contact Information, enable it, and hit Apply. Next, do the same for Specify Contact Company Name. Type your company name under Options. To complete the contact card, you'll need to enable at least one of the following: specify contact email address or email ID, specify contact phone number, specify contact website. Each one lets you add accurate details users can see and use. Using Registry Editor. If you're on Windows 10 Home, you'll need to use the Registry Editor. Open it by typing regedit in Run, then navigate to HKey, Local, Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows Defender Security Center, Enterprise Customization. Create the key if it doesn't exist. Then create a new D word called Enable in App and set it to 1. Add a string called company name and at least one of the following: email, phone, or URL. Enter your support details in each. After making your changes, restart your system. Then open Windows Security, and you'll see a support button in the bottom right corner with the contact info you just added. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add support contact information to Windows Security in Windows 10, linked in the description below.